Are we good? You know how it works, huh?
Yeah, I know. Damn, dai tutto!
Yeah, it was close. You know, the Hurricane guys, we battled them all last year and the year before that in the SPL and the CPL with the ML King, or sorry, with the Expendables. But now we are the Golden State Kings, and we knew they were going to be a tough match. So it was 3-2. I feel like we won a couple more of those points, but just some weird things happened that we just couldn't pull it off. They had some good moves or something, but you know, the better team prevailed, and we did it.
What is the story about Golden State Kings?
The Golden State Kings are just kind of a mix of a handful of Dynasty, some Iron Men, and you know, Charlie, the owner of the ML Kings and the Golden State Kings, just kind of wanted to put a more American team in and let the Prague Czech guys really play paintball by themselves without any outside help. So then he still wanted another team. So here we are.
Euch hat dieses Video gefallen? Na dann schaut doch mal bei uns auf dem Kanal nach weiteren Videos. Es gibt noch jede Menge mehr von geilen Paintball-Stuff. Und am besten abonniert ihr uns auch gleich, dann verpasst ihr keines der Videos mehr. Ach ja, und auf Patreon könnt ihr uns jetzt auch unterstützen. Das würde uns echt helfen. Dankeschön.